Okay, so within our Gait category for our rate of force development, our low-level plyos, and trying to build explosive power within the lower extremity, particularly for the individual that is either mechanically sensitive within their lower extremity or who have had hiatus from impact. We're going to start off with our forward run, our backwards run, and then our side shuffle. The ground reaction forces of these are a fraction, or about 50 to 75% of that of traditional running. And it's a great way to build not only cardiovascular fitness, get into our zone 5 and our higher heart rate zones, as well as to get that explosive nature that is otherwise necessary for the higher level exercises and or training to come. So the first one is going to be my forward run. So I'm going to bring myself out to the fullest extent that I can with the band, and then I'm going to go hard and pull and pull and pull and go and go and pull and pull and go and go and go and go and go and go. And so you can program this such as interval training, where you'd be going 1 minute on, or like 1 to 4, or you can go for slightly tapered intensities and go for longer durations up to 30 to 60 seconds, depending on the energy system, the goal, and the intent in nature. For our purposes with low-level plyos and trying to build explosiveness, we know that this energy system only has about a 20-second component. So I'll usually be playing with high intensities, high intent, anywhere between 20 and 30 seconds. The next one is very similar. Again, I bring on the tension, get as far out as I can, just make sure that the athlete really is as far as they can. Sometimes they'll taper themselves and it'll play funny. Usually I'll tell them, hey, I want you to run and touch the opposite wall. They're going to sit back into it, they're almost like a defensive shuffle, and then they're trying to maintain either a certain point on the floor, or they're actually trying to extend past that. But the speed and the rapid nature needs to be maintained throughout the entirety of the exercise. Final one is side shuffle. The difference with this one is that it's dynamic, it's not stationary. So I'm going to slide out, trying to be as explosive as I can, and then I'm going to decelerate as I come back in. So I get into my defensive shuffle, I come all the way out as far as I can, pause, and then I slowly come back in. And then I come out, and then I slowly come back in. Again, you can do this for repetitions, or you can do it for time. You would then flip, turn other direction, same thing, I come out, explosive, pause, own it, and then I slowly get myself to be controlled as I come back to the tether point. And that would be at least this sequence for the Gait, or what we consider or categorize as our Gait-based low-level plyometric and rapid force development.